Hello, everybody. I'm Jan. Welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks for being here. But I need two things. I need some bacon cooked up, and I need some liquid gold from the bacon. So that is what we are about to do. Parchment paper. This is 1 pound of thick sliced bacon. And this will take about an hour, 55 minutes or an hour on 350 Fahrenheit. Anyway, I hope all of you are doing well. Okay, so I normally wouldn't squish these up together like this, but I have exactly one piece left, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Move that back down a little bit. Usually it all fits on here for me just perfectly. Anyway, okay, going to clean my greasy fingers first. Okay, then we're going to take another piece of parchment paper. And even though you can see it wants to roll up on us, we're just going to flip it over. And that'll stop that immediately. And we're going to press this down onto our bacon. Make sure it's touching everywhere. And that'll keep this from coming off and grease popping all over your stove. I'll tell you, this is truly the best way I've found to cook up a package of bacon and not have a mess to clean up afterwards. Okay, my oven is almost ready. I believe it's at 290. And I'm going to get this in the oven so we can do what I really turned this recorder on today for. Y'all know it's June and it's gardening season. And I'm so happy. Okay, see y'all back in an hour. I picked this beautiful tomato out of my garden yesterday. It's called a big rainbow. It's yellow with pink stripes. And I decided this will be my first BLT of the year. So, as soon as our bacon gets ready, we're going to make us a big, fat, juicy BLT. While we're waiting for the bacon, I got the core out of our beautiful tomato. I cannot wait. I just want to bite into it. These have become my absolute favorite for BLTs and sandwiches in general. They don't have a lot of juice and they don't have a lot of seeds, and they're perfect. They also don't have a lot of acid. Got us some romaine lettuce. Now I've washed this, and I'm going to cut any of these little ends off that I don't like the looks of, like right there. Actually, I'll just tear it across. If it doesn't look good, it's coming off. Get this all dry. Okay. Oh yes. It took to the 50-minute mark. First thing we're going to do is get all this bacon. Come back over here. And this is why you don't crowd bacon on the plate, or in the pan, but just kind of had to. Let's see if I can get my gold poured up without making a mess in front of y'all. Oh, perfect. Here we go. A Texas toast is toasted on the outside and just toasted enough on the inside that it's hard. That keeps the mayonnaise from, wetting up our sandwich, or helps anyway. I'm normally a blue plate girl. They did not have any, so I opted for Hellman's. Gotta have mayo. Oh. Okay. I can stop from getting it on the side. See where it goes, Jan. Okay. Mayo to the side. Grab my towel. Okay. Our first piece of lettuce. Can y'all see this? I sure hope so. First piece of lettuce goes right here. I think I'll do bacon. I think that's enough. Tomato. Come on, I've sharpened this knife just for this. Here we go. Yeah, further. I love how this is pink on the inside. Okay. Set our tomato there. Okay. Now on the tomato, has to be salt and pepper. More bacon. I don't think that's too much to y'all. Probably. That's all right, because this is the first sandwich of 2024. I cut that piece a little too small. Yeah. It's like beautiful. Y'all can't even see it. Maybe now I hope you can see it better. A beautiful BLT. All right, y'all. Here we go. Perfect. It cut perfectly. And there's our BLT. Now that's a perfect one. Here we go, y'all. Start with the small-ish one first. And this will be the first time I've ever tasted this tomato also. Again, it's called Big Rainbow. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. If you were a tomato person like I am, nothing tops this. The first tomato sandwich of the year out of your garden, or your first tomato in general out of somebody's garden. This is so good. Mm. The tomato has very little acid in it, which is what I like for a BLT. It's not overly juicy. I also like that for a BLT. Now, if we're talking just a regular tomato sandwich, oh, load me up the juiciest one you got. And you know, you can slice the whole tomato and put it on my sandwich. I don't care if it runs all over me. But when it comes to a BLT, I want to taste all of it, and especially the bacon. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I might have to eat a second one before this night's over with. I'm not kidding y'all. That's amazing. Please grow you some fresh tomatoes or go to your local farmer's market and see if they have any yellow tomatoes that are, you know, sandwich size, or at least one close to the size of bread. They're phenomenal. Phenomenal. Thank y'all so much for being here. And I'll see you again really soon.